Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Angela and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have for you guys an exciting unboxing. It is Jeffree Star's Halloween 2019 mystery box. This is the Supreme box. It was $160 and it's supposed to have 13 different items in the box. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and dive right into the box. Okay, so I've just gone and opened up this box. There's some black tissue paper on top. This box is absolutely massive and heavy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dive right in. So the first item that I'm pulling out of the box is this Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour lip scrub in the scent, flavor, whatever, cucumber mint, and this is actually his chartreuse summer packaging from summer 2019. So here is what that packaging looks like. It's this bright chartreuse shade, and his lip scrubs, if you don't know, they are iconic, they are edible, and they just smell and taste amazing. So the next item that I'm about to pull out of the box actually looks super familiar, and I'm kind of scared to unwrap it because I'm pretty sure I already own it. But it comes in this chartreuse packaging, and I'm pretty sure it is the mini breaker palette. This is how it came wrapped this summer when I ordered it. So I'm actually just gonna give this away to a friend. So yeah. So in this box there are two Velour liquid lipsticks. This one here is exclusive to the Halloween box, and then this one, I recognize the packaging. I'm not sure which collection it was from, but there's that. And then these are the shades. We have Zombie Kiss as the exclusive and Venus Flytrap. So here is what Venus Flytrap looks like. It kind of matches the chartreuse packaging, just a little more muted. And at the end of this video, I will be swatching everything on my arms and on my lips. This is the Halloween exclusive shade Zombie Kiss, and it looks to be this purple metallic with reflex of orange in it. Here is the next item in the box. It is a lip ammo in the shade Yummy. It is in that summer 2019 packaging in the chartreuse. And this is one of his lip toppers, so they don't have much pigment, but they are very, very glittery, glossy, shiny, and it's just this gorgeous purple, and it looks to have reflex of pink in it. So moving right along, this is one of his Velour lip liners in the shade Anna Nicole. Anna Nicole is one of his most iconic red shades beside Red Rum. So as you can see here, the packaging is absolutely stunning. This is the shade of Anna Nicole right down here. And it is just this pencil liner. The next item is one of his Supreme Frost highlighting powders. This specific one is in the shade Caramel Kiss. Again, it is from his summer 2019 collection. Here is what that gorgeous shade looks like. I'm a little scared it might be too dark for my fair skin tone, but these are also really great to use as eyeshadows or inner corner highlights, whatever you may want to use them for. And this just looks to be a stunning gold shade. So here is the next item in the box, and it is his Prom Night vinyl. I actually don't own a record player, so this will just be a really, really awesome decor piece in my room, but it's so cute. Like, way to step it up for your mystery boxes. Oh my goodness. So this is the next item in the box, and it is one of his mini Velour liquid lipstick bundles. This is Love Me, Love Me Not. I believe this is like the nudes or the red collection. So here are all the minis in this collection. We have Doll Parts, Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, Prom Night, Red Rum, and Unicorn Blood. I'm so glad that I got the Anna Nicole lip liner because now I'll be able to use it with these, and this is gonna be so awesome for the fall and so awesome for the holiday season coming up. So here is the next item in the box. I believe it is only coming with the medium box and then the Supreme box. I'm not sure what the medium box is called. I think it's the deluxe box. And I think this is the mirror, if I'm correct. So this mirror comes all nicely packaged and is just this gorgeous orange shade with black Jeffree Star logo. And oh my god. Hi, how are ya? Living for this mirror. Just living. Oh my goodness. This last item in the box, he sent out a jumpsuit. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Okay, so oh my gosh, I'm blown away that I received a tracksuit, like that this was even an option in the mystery box. It is so comfy, and I'm actually like really short, so I'm only around 4'10", and as you can see in the last clip that it actually like fits my legs. Like it's not too overbearing. I just rolled it up a little bit, and this, oh my gosh, it's just so comfy. Screw whatever I was gonna be for Halloween. I'm going as Jeffree Star for a day. This was such an iconic box in general. You got a little bit of everything from his brand, from a lip scrub to a lipstick, to a liquid lipstick, a lip liner, highlighter, a bundle, a jumpsuit, an eyeshadow palette. Like you literally got something, a mirror, a vinyl, like that's crazy. You got something from little aspects, like different aspects of his brand. This, he upped his game. This is crazy. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch everything for you guys because I do not want this to be a long video. You don't really care about me talking, you just care about the quality of the product. So let's go. Alright you guys, so that was everything for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell if you want to be notified of the next time that I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.